blueberry body butter. I've been waiting for them to bring this back for ages. And then I've got these vitamin gummy apple cider vinegar with added B12. Yeah, they're not like so good, but they're good for me to not be eating. They make me not feel so hungry. I don't know how, but they do. So that is my mini haul for this vlog. These are the two things I got. I'm probably going to try this out tonight. Hi guys, this is an afternoon vlog. I did vlog during the day, but I haven't done much. I've edited another video. That's pretty much. I got a parcel that I showed you guys. I got body butter from Mallow's Beauty, the blueberry one, because that's my favourite scent they do. I do have mint chocolate body butter, but it is nice, but you can't have it every single time. But I thought I would do an afternoon vlog. We have done a couple of things today. Well, we're going to do a couple of things today. I haven't done much for now, but I'm gonna do my bed because even though it's like 5:30, a vlog just went up. I need to make my bed. But I guess this is the video that I'm gonna announce it. It's nothing too exciting, but I'm gonna try and daily vlog. As you have been seeing, that I have been uploading for 3 days now, I think, straight. And I'm gonna try and do that. I don't know, I might be taking the weekends off. So it might be during the week and the weekends are off. But I don't know yet. We're just seeing how I'm feeling with it. But yeah, that is what's gonna be happening. So let's do a quick tidy. Let's check on our to-do list, see what we need to do. And this is just going to be a cozy vlog. Also, my vlogs are not for everyone. My vlogs are quite at-home based or shopping based. Whether I cannot speak, I'm going shopping, meeting my friends, or I'm staying at home doing nothing or doing my hobbies. There's no in between. So my type of vlogs are only for like people who are like, they like cozy vibes or they like fashion and shopping and all that. To be fair, I just remembered I need to sort my clothes out. So we'll be doing that. But yeah, I know not everyone would enjoy my vlog, but hopefully this will get me to gain some followers as well, subscribers. But I have noticed that an algorithm has been pushing out my videos quite a lot within the 24 hours of them being up. So hopefully this will help my channel as well. But let's get on with, when I say productive afternoon, it will be productive. All my vlogs are productive. But a more calm and productive afternoon. vlog for the day. I don't think this is going to be a long one. I don't know. I just did a mixture of things today, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. I'm going to be doing a workout tomorrow. And yeah, I think definitely I'm going to be doing pretty much a weekly vlog, but every single day, and then have the weekend off for the whole of June. Don't know what I'm going to make, but maybe I'll get into my coasters again, and maybe I'll start painting again and get into all of that again. Bye!